Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to Gadget. Today, we're going to be talking about the QCY AilyBuds Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Now, these are budget-friendly and are packed with premium features, in which active noise canceling is one of them. Now, we're going to put those premium features to the test to see if these true wireless earbuds are worth it. Now, we'll be talking more about it right after this. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this review. But before I do so, please do not forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button. Also like and share this video out, as it truly will help out my channel. Closer look at the box here. As you see, high res audio. Now also has LDAC. All right, states here, be creative, go beyond. And some more information here, you can read that. I'm gonna go deep into that there. All right, so with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, slide this down here. Gonna peel these out, nice and small, as you can see. Obviously, this is going to be the charge cable. Let's go ahead and pull that. And as you can see, type A to type C. And of course, you have the manual. All right, let's pop this off. Here's the case. Again, nice and small. Charge port at the bottom. Battery status here. Just push that button and you can see that light come on. But more than likely, I'm going to have to remove film, as you can see here. Let's take this off and then remove this as well, or it won't charge. And do the same thing for the second one. As you can see, this is touch sensitive. There are no buttons. All right, and you can see the letter R there for the right earbud. Do the same thing for the second one. All right, now that they're both removed and ready to be used, I'm going to go ahead and drop this in the case, and it should start charging. And by the way, you can also get this in white. Not only black, but you can also get this in white. So it goes in the case magnetically. As you can see, it's not falling out. And this closes magnetically as well. Okay. Now let's look at some quick details regarding these earbuds. Now what states here, it has adaptive active noise canceling. All right, I already talked about the high res audio and the LDAC. It also has 6 mics that are built into the earbuds, multi-point connection. And again, it's touch, as I mentioned earlier. It's rated IPX5, so it does have some type of splash proof to these earbuds as far as sweating on them or getting a little bit of water on there. You shouldn't have any issues. And it has Bluetooth 5.3. Now it states here, with ANC or active noise canceling disabled, you get about 28 hours with the case charging, and on a single charge you can get up to 5 hours. And then with ANC turned on, you get about 23 hours with the case, or on a single charge you get about 4 hours. Now it also states here, with the LDAC Ultra HD transmission, you get 990 kilobits per second, whereas the traditional AAC wireless transmission, you get about 256 kilobits per second. All right, so pretty nice to know that. You should get a high quality sound with these earbuds, which I will put to the test. So one last thing I'm going to mention is that you are able to download an app on iOS or Android So if you don't want to use this touch area on the earbuds to control them, then you can just use the app instead to operate the earbuds. So this is the app that you're going to download, which is QCY. All right, now that's it. Now again, this is Android, but you can search for the same name inside the Apple App Store. I do want to point this out because some people may get puzzled by this. So once you're in the app, tap next. Yes, give it the permissions. Go through that process there. Go back. And then you're going to toggle that on, of course. Then say go back. Now it wants you to either create a login or register so you can have an account. I'm not going to do that. You can also go here where it says tourist mode, and that bypasses all of that. Let's go ahead and allow add. Let's go ahead and allow this as well. All right, so now it wants to go ahead and add the earbuds. Tap that, pair, and there you have it. Real simple. All right, so let's see here. So if you look there, that's the status. You can see the battery life. If I tap on sound, you're able to adjust the sound. You could turn on active, get a better focus there. Active noise canceling, or leave it on normal. Same thing here. You can choose the different sound effects. If you want heavy bass, you can go there. Many options. You can even customize it and adjust it to your own. So this is pretty nice. A lot of features for a budget-friendly pair of wireless earbuds. So I'm going to leave it on the defaults for now. But again, just know that you can choose different options here depending on your sound and taste. And then go to settings. And you even have some options here. Even has a gaming mode, sleep mode. There's even an option to find the earbuds or the headset, as it states here, if they're missing. Voice assistant, you have Siri or the Google Assistant. All right, so again, a lot of features here at a budget. So you don't even have to tap it. You can just swipe through to go to the different settings. All right, pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give them a test, see how everything sounds, and then I'll let you know my thoughts. Be right back. All right, so I had my initial listen with these earbuds, and I got to tell you that I'm quite impressed. Now, at the price that you're paying for these earbuds, you get premium quality, because again, these are budget friendly, but all the different sound options you have within the app. And if you look here, you even have tweeters at the top. All right, so not only do you have the audio coming out here, but you have them coming out the top here as well. So the vocals are pretty crisp. I'm not an audiophile, but I got to tell you that everything was nice and crisp. And then when it came to the bass, when you adjust to the heavy bass, the bass was pretty good as well. It was pretty decent. All right, so the amount of quality that you're getting out of these at a budget, I definitely think it's worth it. Again, it's rated IPX5, so again, water resistant. When it comes to splashes or sweating heavily, you shouldn't have a problem with them. It has a gaming mode, so you can use this for gaming. I made a phone call with these earbuds and they heard me very clear. Again, of course, the 6 microphones help with these, and of course I heard them very clear as well. I watched some trailers on YouTube. Very nice audio, and of course play some music. Very nice audio. So if you're looking for some premium features in a budget-friendly earbuds, then the AilyBuds Pro Plus would definitely fit the bill for you. Again, at the budget. Now, if you're interested in these earbuds, again, it comes in white and this color as well, which is black. But if you're interested in these earbuds, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. But this completes my review for the AilyBuds Pro Plus wireless earbuds.